Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Jamie.
Welcome to another week of Cooking Light Taste Test.
Today we're trying
Vegetable Puffs. This is a snack food in the chip category.
All by the same brand.
So this is probably something that I would eat while chilling with Netflix. So we're gonna see how they taste. There's 3 different varieties, and then we'll look at the nutrition and let you know what we think.
I'm really excited.
Me too, kinda. Cheesy puffs. These are totally cheesy puffs. Are they hot?
Wait, but they're vegan. They can't be cheesy puffs.
These are nutritional yeasty puffs. Oh, it's got good crunch.
What's that flavor? It kind of throws you off because there's this red coating on the outside, and I guess I was expecting like cayenne or smoked paprika or like something spicy.
But then I thought it might be like something tangy. No, but it has like a little funkiness or something to it. Is it mushroom?
I was thinking maybe mushroom. It's got kind of like an earthiness to it.
They're not bad tasting. They're a little salty. They're super crunchy.
Beet.
Beet! Beet! They're beet! That's, okay, funky. Purple.
Earthy.
Earthy.
It all makes sense.
Purple. Now. Oh, vegan Rob. You totally got us.
Now that we know that they're beet, they're not sweet. They're not like a candied beet at all. They're like very earthy and mild to me.
I think if you are not a beet fan, you probably would be able to eat these without even really noticing. 1 serving size is about 1 3/4 cups. So it's actually pretty healthy. There's like...
You get a third of the container.
Yeah, there's like 3.5 serving sizes in here. Let's see, so it's got 140 calories, 7 grams of fat, but only a ½ gram of sat fat, 130 milligrams of sodium, which is not bad for as like kind of salty as they are, 16 grams of carbohydrates, and only 1 gram of fiber, and no added sugar.
That's pretty good. Would you eat them?
Yeah, I would eat these. I give them like out of a, what are we doing on 5?
Out of 5.
Out of 5, I give them a 4.
I'd give them a 3.
They're not purple.
They're not purple.
They have like little specks though. I'm guessing that we're gonna get some black pepper.
Smell it.
Garlic?
I smell seaweed.
Oh yeah, maybe these are seaweed and onion. That would be amazing. These are very mild. I think that's part of the yumminess. Like they're still crunchy, but it's like a very, very mild flavor.
Cauliflower.
Probiotic cauliflower puffs.
I feel so duped.
I didn't taste any cauliflower whatsoever.
I don't either. Maybe we should just go based on like what they look like. Like what color vegetable or fruit could this potentially be?
An apple.
3 servings per container. Again, like really hefty serving size, pretty cool. 140 calories, 8 grams of fat, 1 gram sat fat, 17 carbs, only 160 milligrams of sodium, about 7%. 1 gram of sugar, and 3 grams of protein, which is a nice little boost from what tastes like a chip or a puff.
Still about a 4. It tastes pretty good, and I feel like either this or the last one were pretty interchangeable for me.
Okay, I'm gonna boost mine up to a 4. There's no scent. There's no evidence, no clue.
We got the same ones again. Maybe these are the plain?
Could these be broccoli maybe instead of cauliflower?
I got nothing.
I'm so perplexed. Like,
I'm gonna go ahead and rate these exactly the same as the last 2.
So they're literally a 3-way tie for you?
Yep, they're all 4s. They're good. I'm gonna eat them.
I'm gonna have to rank them a 3.5 because I liked the last one a little bit better.
These, my friends, are Brussels sprout. You know what I feel like? Vegan Rob is kind of...
Is he messing with us?
I think he's kind of messing with us. But these are like the opposite of like kids food, right? Like as opposed to like having a really great name, like super fun puff pups, and then kind of like
Ziggly Zags puffs,
sneaking in a bunch of like vegetable. These like sound like Brussels sprouts.
Very adult.
And then they taste kind of just awesome like puffs. They're really good. If I didn't tell my kids,
they would eat them.
Yeah. They don't taste anything like Brussels sprouts.
No, they don't. Brussels sprouts have, to me, like kind of their own distinct flavor profile, like kind of like cabbage, and these are so neutral.
They're very neutral. And again, the same nutritional information. 8 grams of fat, 180 milligrams of sodium, so a little bit more, but it's still only 8%. And a serving size is... a
third of the bag.
A third of the bag. My favorite is the cauliflower.
That was my favorite too.
Because it's probiotic.
Oh, is that why you liked it?
Mm-hmm.
There's actually a little bit of vitamin C, a little bit of fiber, and a little bit of iron in it. Usually when you find vegetable puffs or chips at the store, they're just usually made of like potato flour and not much else. There's very little nutritional value. So I like that these actually help you, and they're not just like a snack that packs nothing. Take one for the road.
You just gotta take the whole bag. All right, thanks for watching another Cooking Light taste test.
If you're watching on Facebook right now, comment below and tell us what you like to snack on when you're watching Netflix.
And if you're watching on YouTube, be sure to hit the subscribe button and we'll send you an alert the next time we have a video out. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.